Here I've got a section of crown molding, and I'm trying to salvage it. And a piece of the dental molding here is broken off, and I need to replace it. Can't find it available locally or anywhere really. So I found it just faster just to draw it in CAD and 3D print a piece to fit in there. And so that's what I'm going to do. Maybe it's this one. Let's see. There we go. That one right there. I'm just going to glue it with some paper backing on the back to hold it in place, and then once it's dried, then I can go and spray that with primer and put it in, reinstall it, and I don't think it'll be very noticeable at all. So I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue here to hold it together. And I'll cut a piece of paper to use as a backer. I want it to span the repair and then some. So I'm going to put the paper on the back here like that. That'll help hold it in place and join it to the other ones there. I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue, and hopefully that will hold it long enough for me to get it installed. And so once that sets up, I can install it. I'm going to put some wax paper on here and block it down. So I've got a piece of wax paper here. I can keep that on the back so it won't stick to my work surface. And that way I can be sure to get this to glue perfectly straight. I'll just block that up like that, and I think that'll work very well. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.